What is Smart Rapper Gang? In this video, I'm actually going to talk about something today that I usually don't talk about. It's something that actually really pisses me off and frustrates me every single day. So you understand a little bit more, the reason why it upsets me is because I spend so much of my time and energy helping upcoming artists. I have all this free information out there, almost 1,000 videos on this channel for free, and then 2,000 videos inside of my courses. And then a lot of people will DM me on @SmartRapper and @RobLevel on Instagram. And just seeing what these people say in these DMs, and then me explaining and breaking down why it pisses me off, you're gonna learn a lot. Because it's really gonna motivate you and push you and give you drive to understand, wow, maybe I am screwing up the way that these people are screwing up and I don't even realize it. And there's a lot that you can learn from this video. And really, I'm just freaking out, almost like I would have been screaming at this person in person from what they said to me. Not even out of anger from me, out of anger from how angry they should be at themselves. You're gonna see. And I never want you to be this person. And I'm not calling this person out, I'm not gonna tell you who this person is, but I think that people need to see this because it's gonna inspire and motivate you. And this is gonna help you overcome these hurdles and get past these boundaries and issues that you're having right now in your music career, all right? So let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because there's a new video every day. I'm gonna show you me freaking out on somebody so you can get smarter right after the intro.
I'm Rob Level, a successful music artist that's been rapping for over 10 years. I've been posted everywhere from Complex to TMZ. I've had label deals, charted top 100, written songs for major artists with Grammy winners. On here, I teach you everything I learned in the music business. So as I learn, you get to learn too. This is Smart Rap.
People message me all the time and they say, Rob, hey man, help me make a career, man. Put me on, bro. Shout me out, man. Assign me, man. I just want to get my mom out the hood. You have to get yourself out first.
Use your common sense.
It's a really good point that Sutton made is if you say that you're doing it for your mom, you're doing it for someone else. Like if your fuel is, I want to get my mom out the hood, that's never going to be enough fuel because from an evolutionary standpoint, you are wired for your own survival. Woo! So you obviously are doing it for yourself first, even if it is for yourself to feel good about helping your family. The first thing that's going to happen is you have to help yourself, just like I said in the video. Remember on airplanes where they say, put the air mask on you first, do not put it on somebody else first? It's because if you can't breathe, how are you going to help somebody else breathe? It's that simple. You got to save your own life first.
You ain't lying.
Then you start helping those around you. Otherwise, you're consistently staying down because you're putting all your resources into everybody else. That doesn't make any sense. You're not going to find enough fuel in the idea of I'm going to help my grandma, or the idea of I'm going to help my mom, or I'm going to help my sister. That's not the fuel. The fuel is I need to help myself to be a better person because then I can actually take everything that I've become as a better person and the ability to make millions of dollars over and over again, not just once. And then I can spread that among everybody, not just one person. Gotta help yourself first. Let's get back to the video. And then even after you get out, it's gonna take you 3 to 5 years after that. Number one, you gotta develop. If we're talking about the Big Sean thing, you have to develop over about a course of about 3 years to even get to a point where you have a style that's good enough, and then you also have the business understanding and knowledge, and then also know how to monetize yourself and then build the fan base. Like, it's not a quick fix. This guy like actually thinks that he's just like, how can I make money during this pandemic? I'm making money during this pandemic because it takes a long time to build a fan base. I'm getting money from streams. You have to build a fan base. You have to learn how to make packages, make merchandise, make wristbands, make t-shirts, make cups, make mugs, make something, make pens, get fans to want to grow with you, sell them items. You have to build your email list. If I ask this guy how many people on your email list and he says, I don't have an email list, then how the f think you gonna make money? You don't even know anything, the basics, the fundamentals, the foundation of you building a fan base, and you're asking how you can make money from your music because no one wants to pay. Number two, what is this guy from 2004? People don't pay for music anymore. They pay for you. They pay for an experience with you. They pay for something special and unique from you. Like, still the same thing. I don't buy a CD because it's a CD. People will buy a CD if you sell it to them. They don't have a CD player. They're buying it because it has your autograph on it, because it is actually something physical that you've made, that you've touched, and they're a fan of you and it feels special to them. They're not buying the music. Who the f is buying music? When's the last time anybody in this room bought music?
I'll only buy music if I really support the artist because I know how much it helps an artist if you actually buy the album.
Exactly. So you only buy it, right, but that's not gonna happen for somebody who doesn't have a fan base, yeah. Right? But right, so you buy an album like something like you want that person to chart. People buying J. Cole's album, Kendrick's album, Logic does very well because if you have a hardcore fan base, people want to help support you. But you building that trust and that love to where people want to spend money out of their pocket to buy something that they don't even have to buy, that's tough. It's like you handing $10 to a bum on the street. You may do it occasionally, but I don't even know the bum, okay? So like you have to really make them love you.
You said the truth.
And that takes time. It takes more than, just a couple months and 1 or 2 songs. It takes a project that they fall in love with that makes them feel some sort of way that they relate to you. It's like, I just hate when people ask me these questions. I wish you would just respond to me real quick so I can see. Let me go to this guy's page real quick. This guy has 2
posts on his page, neither of which have fucking music.
2 posts. 2 posts. He should have made 2 posts this week. 2 posts. And one of them doesn't even say anything about him being a music artist. One of them, something about him making money as a mix engineer. He looks like a mix engineer. Does not look like an artist. Think about it.
There's not even any music on here. It doesn't even say he's a music artist on his entire thing.
Now look at this. I have millions and millions and millions of views on Instagram videos teaching people things like how to fix their bio, all these things. And these are free videos that I have, guys. One of the bigger ones is the bio one. People don't realize that the bio is real estate. You need to utilize that space perfectly, every character, to tell the most that you can about you, about your brand, and make people want to find out more about you. Because we go to somebody's profile, you may look at a couple pictures if your content's good, and then you go back up to the bio and you see, what is this telling me about the person? And 99% of you guys, I'm sorry, it doesn't tell anything. If you put your manager's email in there, that's a massive mistake. Massive. It needs to tell you about your brand, because I don't care about your manager's contact information if I don't even know who he or what he's managing. I need to know what about you makes you different. I want to know something about your story. Tell me something in your bio that says what you are, who you are, what you represent and stand for, and you have to make those pictures match that. And that comes down to branding, and we have a massive branding accelerator course for that. I'll put a link below. But I'm gonna get back to the video. But you guys need to make sure, if you guys right now, after this video, go fix your bio. Have it tell something about you. If it's not saying who you are and what you are, and that you're a music artist, well then, are you really a music artist? Are you telling people what you are, where you came from, something? Tell them something. And if it doesn't say you're a music artist here, have it in your link. And if it's not in your link, have it be obvious by looking at your post. It's not complicated. You don't want someone hitting your page and not following you because they're confused about what you do. That's how branding works. That's why you gotta get your brand together. Again, links below. Let's get back into the video.
Right? So like people say, how am I gonna make money? You're not even taking yourself seriously. I'm not even gonna go listen to your music when I hit your Instagram because you don't even look like an artist. So why would I click your link? You have to intrigue me inside of your Instagram. You have to say, I'm an artist. You have to say why I should go listen to you. Tell me your story in the bio. Say something that makes me go, yo, I might wanna listen to this guy. How do you think you're gonna make money? You just ask me how you make money. This, and the reason why I'm even approaching this with this type of upset attitude is because this is the type of that holds people back, is you just think you deserve money and that you're just gonna make some money when you have put in no work. That's the antithesis of the type of human that I am. You have to hustle. You have to put the work in.
Real quick, if you're saying that you want to make money from music, you better go learn some business and learn how money works, because if you think that you're just gonna pop off and start making money, you're wrong, because as soon as you pop off, all that money has to go back into your career so that you can make more money. And that's why I say that it takes a couple years to make money, because even when you're making money, you can't spend it on your mama and buying your mom and grandma a house.
You ain't lying.
I got way more money you're gonna make in your first 5 years of rapping right now. Am I going to buy my grandma a house? Hell no, I'm saving up for my $3 million house. My grandma live with me. She's living in West Wing. You want to buy your mama a house? You're gonna have to make millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars. I'll tell you right now, all that money that you get initially, you'll be smarter then, and you'll realize this money needs to be allocated and put into marketing, into my music videos, into my branding, into these things, because then you'll take $1 million and you'll make $5 million if you're smart and you're watching these videos and I'm teaching you everything that I'm learning and everything that I'm investing into and moving everything forward. All right, so don't say you're trying to make money if you haven't went and researched and understood how money works. Let it be one of the bonuses, but don't let it be your primary motivation, because that'll burn out as soon as you get money and realize that it's not gonna help you find a balance and be mentally stable like you think it will. Trust me. Now let's get back to the video.
There's no music on this guy's page. Nothing says artist. There's no pictures of him looking like an artist. Like, you can't say, how am I gonna make money if you don't even look like you're worth any money?
How, Sway?
Think about a music artist. When you look at a music artist, you can tell if you look at somebody, if they're special, if they have that level of confidence or even lack of confidence, but you can tell there's something special about them. And that's a type of value you can see in just their energy just by looking at them. You can tell that person is valuable. So I'm not talking about like how much money they're worth, but their value, and the value of them as a human is what makes that money. Like the way Logic walks around, Logic probably, he's not all flashy, like they just walk around looking like a normal guy, but I bet you the way he walks into a room, you go, who's that? If you don't know who he is, right? Same thing with every major artist, right? You see me go, oh, boy, that guy looks like somebody. You have to show that on your Instagram. You have to show that anywhere you go. You have to exude that energy and confidence, and you have to really become that person, and then make the content, take the pictures, make the music. Where's the music? What do you mean you're gonna make money? How are you gonna make money if there's no music for me to stream? Where are you gonna make money? Of course someone's gonna buy it. That just pisses me off. People just want shortcuts. They don't even put no work in. If he had like 50 things up, he's like, bro, I got 3 mixtapes. I got this, this, and this. I did this. I've invested into the first 2. My brand is down. I did all these things. How come nobody's streaming my music? Then I would say, let me look at this page real quick. Here's the small issue. Okay, here, you need to make a marketing strategy that's like this, this, and this, and you also need to build a relationship with your fans. Are you talking to your people every day? Right? These are the questions that I would ask him. If he was past the first stage, he's not even in, remember we have a 12-level system? He's not even into level 1 yet. He hasn't even left level 0.
because he hasn't even started and he's asking how to make money. If you're gonna do music, you're not gonna be doing it thinking I'm gonna make money. Trust me, it's gonna be a hobby that you really enjoy, and then you're gonna get good at it, and then you're gonna be like, wow, maybe I can make this a career. That's typically how it works. Starts as a hobby, then it becomes something real. If you're not passionate about it, you're never gonna make any money from it. You're never gonna make money because people can tell that you're not passionate about it. So they're never gonna take you seriously. Now, I think that anybody who watches this video can understand and see, I'm upset for him, and that's why I get so upset, because I have all these videos on this channel to help you guys, and then everybody's like, yeah, I'm an artist, I'm just trying, you know, blah, 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 I wanna do this, I wanna do this, I wanna make some money, I wanna do all this, and they haven't even attempted to take the first step in the career. People say they want something, but talking is easy. I want $1 billion. I can say that all day long. It means nothing. Your mom's a hoe. It means nothing unless she's actually being a hoe, all right? That was the first example.
Your mom's a whore.
That's just, it was the first example I thought of. Not your mom's a hoe, I do apologize. But words don't mean anything. Execution means something. You can talk all day long. I want to be a rapper, I want to be a superstar. And every time somebody says that, I ask them one additional question. How many songs do you have out? That proves you don't want to be a music artist. I ask them another question. When's the last time you had a photo shoot? How many photos do you have? How many albums do you have out? When's the last time you made a song? How many beaches did you go through this week? How many beaches did you go through in the last 2 months? If these answers don't answer something that an artist would answer, you're not being an artist. And this always happens. If you're saying you really want to be a music artist, then be a music artist. Don't say it and then come to somebody's DM and say, I want to make some money, I'm real serious, and no seriousness is shown. It's frustrating. And I'm frustrated for him because he's lying to himself. And I don't want you guys lying to yourself. If you're serious, you need to take the actions that are going to get you to that next level. Period. Go make some songs. Go do a photo shoot. Do anything that moves you closer to your goal. You cannot say you want to do something and you're not serious. Especially when a kid says, I want to get my mom out the hood. You clearly don't.
I'm tired of this, man.
Because you're not even working for it. You're just somebody who says, I want to help my family. And that's the worst thing, is saying that you want to help your family. Not just help yourself. You want to help your family, and saying that you're using them as motivation when that's not even clearly any form of motivation for you is even more terrifyingly screwed up, right? Anyways, you guys
Need to stop bullshitting and be serious.
So I hope this inspired you and motivated you to take this to the next level, because don't be like these people that are DMing me. I'm sorry, you guys DM me all the time with this stuff. Don't do it. Go put some work in. As soon as I hit your page, if I don't see that you put the work in, I immediately, that's why a lot of DMs don't get answered. Because I'm like, I go to help the person. Okay, I'll take a second, let me answer, help some people out. And then I go and I'm like, yeah, he's like, Rob, I'm so serious. And I go to the page, I'm like, you have 2 posts. Guys, I want to help you out. I want to inspire you more, motivate you more. Hit me with a subscribe, hit me with a like. Don't forget that branding course is below, as well as the 12 levels, which will show you where you are in your music career. Don't be like this guy, he's still on level 0. At least get to level 1, okay? I apologize for my frustration with this, but it's to help everybody else. I'm frustrated for you, because I've been there, and I know you gotta put the work in. Keep hustling, gang. Subscribe, new videos every day. Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Level.
Ooh, I would've thought by now that I'd be way past these days. By now that my top be down on my brand new black Mercedes. Thought I would've made it by now. Thought I would've made it by now. Thought I would've made it by now. Thought I would've made it by now.
Working 9 to 5, saving to survive.